In this video, I'll show you guys the easiest way to wind your bobbin on your old vintage sewing machine with very easy steps. If this is something you'd love to watch, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So step number one, you have to get your bobbin from your bobbin case. So as you can see, mine is already filled with thread, but I'm still going to demonstrate to you guys how to do it. Then we're going to get your thread. So this is the part where the bobbin is wound on this machine, where I'm pointing. This is the winding for this machine. So I'm going to get my thread. This is the thread that I'm going to be using, and also I'll get a bobbin. So I've gotten another bobbin that has no thread on it. So this is an empty bobbin, as you can see. So I'm going to insert my thread in one of those little holes. If yours doesn't have the little holes, all you have to do is just directly start rolling it. Make about 5 to 10 rounds of like I have done. Then you're going to take it to this little thing here, and we're going to start winding the bobbin. So if you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up. So before we start winding, I need to show you where the thread has to, so drop it down like I have done. Then I'm going to show you guys where the thread has to pass. So down here on this little thing, that's where I'm going to put your thread. Just going to hook it over here. Then you're going to start pressing on your machine. You can use your hand wheel, or if you've connected it to the motor like I have done with electricity, just click on it, press on it with your foot, and your bobbin is going to start winding. As you can see, my bobbin is getting full. There, my bobbin, once it goes round, my bobbin is getting full, as you can see. So this is how you easily do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more sewing and pattern drafting videos. Bye, and see you in my next tutorial.